Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to share with you 3 amazing airdrops through which you can earn huge amount of money for free. So these 3 airdrops are really very big and important airdrops. These are very legit airdrops which you must not miss and must join at any cost so that you won't miss the huge earnings, and there is no kind of investment, that it's 100% free. So let's move on to our Telegram channel, Hidden Airdrop Finder. This is our Telegram channel, Hidden Airdrop Finder. If you didn't join it yet, then please join it here right now. I have provided the link of my Telegram channel in the description of this video. So from there you can join this Telegram channel. You must join this Telegram channel in order to join all the best airdrops, because I provide all the best airdrops links here only. So let's just go and join our first airdrop. This is our first airdrop. It's a very big giveaway and legit giveaway. 1 million USDT giveaway for first 1 lakh people. It's a really very big airdrop, so must not miss this airdrop. Firstly, for joining this airdrop you need to follow this Twitter account. So click on this and just copy it, CryptoMates, and open this on Twitter. So you just need to search this username on Twitter, or I will provide the link directly in my Telegram channel. So after searching this on Twitter, you can just join this by clicking on their profile and then click on follow. As I am already following it, that's why it's not showing like following. You need to follow. So after you just follow this, then you just need to go back, and its second and third points are tasks are to like and retweet and tag your friends. So for this you need to see their pinned tweet. So this first tweet, click on like button. After you click on like button, click on this button and then click on quote tweet. Write anything about this positive about this project. This project is amazing, like I'm writing this. Then tag any of your 3 followers. After you tag any of your 3 followers, you need to click on retweet. So after you click on retweet, you need to go back. As I have already done that, I am not doing this again. After you do retweet, then just click on this form and submit it right now. So just open this form on any browser. So after the form is opened, as you done this task, if you didn't done, then please again do this. So just click on this and do each and every task again. If you didn't do, then do, otherwise you don't need to do it again. So after you have followed this and done all the Twitter tasks, then you just need to fill this form. So just first enter your email here. After you enter your email, write your Twitter username using @ After you write your Twitter username, you need to get your referral link. For getting your referral link, you again need to open the Twitter app or your Twitter account in any browser. After you open the Twitter app, let's just wait for it to successfully open. After it has opened, then click on top left 3 bars menu. After you click on this, then click on your profile here. Then you just need to scroll down and seek for where you have just tagged your followers. So I'm just searching for, this is what I just tweeted. So this is what I tweeted and tagged my 3 friends on this 1 million USDT giveaway. So you just need to click on this button on this post and click on copy link. After you copy the link, you need to just paste it over here. After you paste it, you need to submit your USDT address from Trust Wallet. So you just need to open your Trust Wallet. After you open your Trust Wallet, you need to click on this button for getting your address. Click on this button. After you click on this button, you need to write USDT. After you write USDT, just scroll up and just see where is USDT. Here is USDT, Tether USDT, and make sure that it is TRC20, because there are a lot of ERC20, BB20 and TRC20. I'm suggesting you to just select the TRC21 option. So Tether USDT search for, and just search whether it is TRC20 or not. When it is, you have got TRC20, then you just need to click on this button. And after you enable this, as I have already enabled this, I'm not clicking on again. So after you enable this, it will be shown on your bottom. So it will be shown somewhere like just wait for it to show. Like I'm just searching for it. So this is our TRC20 USDT. After you have enabled that, it will be shown in your these options, and then after you open that, click on copy button. After you click on copy button, the address format will be like TW, starting from TW. So after you copy this, just paste it over here. And in the case of who invited you, you just need to go back to our Telegram channel and just copy this referral username. So just copy this, click on and hold, and after you click and hold, then just click on copy button. After click on copy button, just paste it over here and then click on submit. So after you click on submit, you have successfully joined our first airdrop. As I have already done that, I'm not doing it again. So after you just submit it, you are successfully eligible to just get earn free 10 USDT. So don't miss this airdrop, it's a very big airdrop. Then our second airdrop is Camel airdrop. So Camel airdrop is a very simple airdrop, it's audited by TechRate and also it's a good airdrop. So you just need to join this airdrop bot. Click on this airdrop bot, click on start button. After you click on start button, it will show something like this. Then you need to click on join airdrop. Then you will be given some tasks which you need to complete. Just click on group and join this, then click on channel, then join. After, and then you need to click on Twitter. After you click on Twitter, click on follow, and then you just need to click scroll down and seek for its pin tweet. Its first tweet you need to like on its first tweet button. After you click on retweet button, come back to our Telegram bot, and then you just need to click on submit my details. Then after you click on submit my details, you will be just confirmed by entering your Telegram username. So I have entered my Telegram username over here. Then you need to just tag 3 friends and follow CamelSwap Twitter page. Tag 3 friends and repost pinned post. So just click on follow Twitter, open this. By mistake I have just done only retweet, so you don't need to do that. You just need to click on undo retweet. If you didn't do, then it's okay. So after you just click on like on the first post, you just need to click on this button, then click on quote tweet, then write anything positive about this project, that this project is really amazing and legit. Then you need to tag any of your 3 followers. After you tag, then click on retweet. Then after you click on retweet, just go back to the bot, and then you need to submit your Twitter account handle, means Twitter username, using @. So for getting your Twitter username, if you didn't know how to get, then just let me show you. Just open your Twitter account, Twitter app open. After you open your Twitter app, you just need to click on top left 3 bars menu button. After you open menu button, this will be showing your Twitter username. So just see and just enter the same over here and using @. After you enter it here, it will ask for your BEP20 wallet address, which you can get from your Trust wallet. Again, just open your Trust wallet and just say smart chain. This is smart chain. Click on this, click on copy button, go back to the bot now and paste it over here and submit it. After you paste and submit it, then it will show something like this, that congratulations, you have verified, you will verify your social task. So after you do that, it will show something like this, your referral link. If you want more earnings, you can refer, otherwise you can also avoid referring. So you can just click on statistics to see your stats as how many tokens you have earned. After you do this, then you have successfully joined this airdrop. Let's move on to our next airdrop. Then this airdrop is really very big and important airdrop, which you must not miss. You must join it at any cost. So this is about Troy airdrop. It's a BEP20 BNB based airdrop. It will give you 100 Troy for 3000 random users, and also 50 lucky users will get 2000 Troy each. So this is really a very big airdrop, and if you didn't join it, you will surely regret it later after viewing its rewards. So you must join this. Click on this bot to join. After click on this bot, you just need to click on start button, then just fill the captcha. After you verify the captcha, it will show something like this. It will give you some this. So then you need to click on continue. After you click on continue, it will give you some tasks. Then join each one by one. Click on group, join, then click on channel, then join, and then follow Troy on Twitter and retweet pin to tag 3 friends, sorry. So then you just need to click on follow. I'm already following it, so just scroll down. This is the pin tweet, their first tweet. Click on like button. After you click on like button, you just need to click on this button, then click on quote tweet. Write anything positive about this project. This project is, and then tag your 3 followers. After you tag your 3 followers, you need to click on retweet. As I have already done that, I'm not doing it again. When you click on retweet, and successfully retweet it, then you just need to come back over here. Then you need to join their advertiser Telegram channel. Click on this, then click on join button. After you join back, come back, then click on advertiser Twitter, like and retweetment post. So just click on Twitter and just wait for it to open. After it get opened, you just need to click on follow. I'm already following it. Then just scroll down and see for the Troy post. This is the first Troy post. So this is the Troy post. You just need to search for where is Troy post, and after you get this Troy, then you just need to click on like button, then click on this button, and then click on retweet. After you do that, and it will show something like green button. So after it shows like green, then you will be sure that you have successfully done that. After you do that, you just need to click on submit details, then you need to click on done, then you need to submit your Twitter username, Twitter profile link, sorry, which you can get by just copying this. Just hold it, click on copy, then after you click on copy, just paste it over here, and then clear until your username, and then instead of your username, just type your username over here. As my username is AdarshP94888 user 04. So after you write it over here, then just submit it. Then it will show something like this. It will ask for you whether you have joined this or not. Click on done if you have joined this, then click on done, yes. After you click on yes, it will ask for your Troy BEP20 deposit address. So for this, you again need to come to Trust Wallet. Make sure you just do the same what I'm doing. Just click on this button again, click on this top right button, then search Troy, TROY. Then it will show something like this. Then you just need to click on this button. At the starting it will be something like this, then you enable it, and after it has been enabled like this, after it has been enabled, come back, sorry, after it has been enabled, you just need to click on this, and then just click on copy button. After you click on copy button, go back to the bot, and then after you have just done that, just need to, it will ask for your Troy BEP20. Just paste it over here. It will ask for your Troy memo. If you have submitted your Trust Wallet just like I did here, you don't need to submit your memo. Just click on, just type skip, hashtag skip, and then submit. Then it will show something like this. And if you want to submit your Binance address, if you have Binance account, then you can also submit your Binance address by just going to Binance, click on wallet, and then search Troy and BEP, and then just click on BEP20 and BEP2, sorry, then click on BEP2 and copy your address and submit it over here. But as I have done, as instead of doing Binance, I have done Trust Wallet. So you can do anything, you can submit either Trust Wallet address or Binance address. I have submitted here Trust Wallet address. So after you submit, it will, you need to, or if you submit Trust Wallet address, then you just need to submit it there, and then click on skip in case of memo. And after do that, it will show something like this, your referral link. If you want to refer and earn more, you can just share your referral link, and then click on statistics to just see for your earnings or your status. Then it will show something like this. So it will, this is a really very big airdrop, Troy airdrop. You must not miss this airdrop, and you must join this airdrop to ensure that you will be earning huge. So this will be really a very big airdrop, kind of $100 worth or more airdrop, or more worth airdrop. So you must not miss this airdrop as well. So now we have successfully joined all the airdrops, all the 3 airdrops over here, and I want to give you an update of our old airdrop, which is MOBA airdrop. If you have joined this airdrop, I have posted about this on May 28. If you have joined this airdrop bot and submitted all the tasks, then this is the update. It has been distributed. So for, if you have done this airdrop, joined successfully this airdrop, then you just need to click on this, hold and copy this, then just go to notes, and after you go to notes, just need to paste it over here, and then copy this address only. This is a smart contract address. It will allow you to see for your tokens, received tokens. So after, if you have successfully joined the mobile airdrop previously, which I have posted on 28 May, then you just need to click on top right 3 corners, then just paste the address which you have just recently copied, and click on this button to enable this, and then you just need to click on this button, and then it will show the balance like this. So you have successfully received the MOBA tokens. Wait for more updates. It has already listed on some exchanges like PancakeSwap and also some other exchanges. So its value is currently low. You can sell it afterwards when its value will be high. So friends, that's all for this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and also must join my Telegram channel Hidden Airdrop Finder, so that you won't miss any upcoming best airdrop, and you can earn huge amount of crypto for free. It's 100% free. So don't miss to join my Telegram channel and subscribe my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.